how to convert up to 20% with the value series. Alright, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell as I do videos every Tuesday and Friday about making money online and helping you become great. So how can you convert up to 20% with the value series? That's what I'm going to show you. Let's go. Let me show you how it's done. First of all, let's understand this pyramid. Up here, we have 3% that are buying now, that are in buy mode. That's 3% of the market. When they see your offer, 3% are ready to buy, right? They're in buying mode. Now, after that, we have 17% information gathering mode. They're looking for information. That's 17%. And then we have the 20% that are problem aware. They're aware of the problem that you might be promoting, right? And that is 20%. And then we have the 60%, which is massive, which is not problem aware. So they don't know nothing about what you're promoting. And so the amateur, what he does is he sends traffic into an offer. Now, the problem with this is that this method is old. And the conversion rate of this is very low. I'd say around 0.2, it's less than 1%. So this is the amateur way to promote. Now, when you're doing that method, you are going after the 3% that are in buying mode. That's what you're going after with sending traffic directly to an offer. Now, what most people do is they send traffic into a landing page. They capture people's emails and then they send them to an offer. That's what most people do online. And then they capture the email and then they also send emails almost every day promoting the product or some other products. And also the conversion rate of this, it can be sometimes at 1%, but sometimes it doesn't even hit that. So that's what most people on the internet are doing. This is the typical way of doing. And again, when we're doing that method, we are going after just the 3% that are in buying mode. Now, the pro method, which is this one that I'm going to share with you, that it can convert up to 20%, is you are sending traffic to a landing page, then you send it to a value series, and then ultimately you send them to the offer. Now, there's a process to this, right? Now, when you're doing this method, you're actually talking not just to the 3% that are in buy mode, you're also talking to all of these people right here that are in information gathering mode, that are problem aware, and also that are not problem aware. We're going to talk to them, to everybody. That's why the conversion rate is much, much, much higher. Because instead of going in just for the 3% that are in buy mode, we're actually going after everybody, right? And so that's the pro method because of the value series. Now I'm going to break down to you how this is done, right? I'm going to break it down to you so you understand how this method works and so you can see the power of this. It's really powerful. So the pro method, the first thing we do is we get traffic, and it can be from any traffic source. Now, let me remind you that traffic is not, of course, traffic, it's like the breadth of your business, but to be honest, is not the most important thing. If you have what I'm going to show you today right, then traffic is easy. You can get traffic from so many places. The traffic is not the hard part. The hard part is what I'm sharing with you today. It's what really matters. It's what really makes the difference. Because what's the point of sending traffic to an offer or to a landing page and not making sales or not converting people, right? It makes no sense. You can send all the traffic in the world, but if it's not converting, then it makes no sense, right? So this pro method, we're sending traffic and then we are sending it to a landing page. And we are capturing people's users' emails into our autoresponder. And then we redirect them to a bridge page. Now, a bridge page, it's kind of a lazy way of presenting the offer. Now you have a video there, you talked a little bit about yourself, and then you have a button on the bottom that will send them to the offer. As we can see here, the arrow pointing to the offer, we are doing that. Once they watch that video, they might not, click the button, but on that video, I also tell them that I will be sending to their email the training that I'm going to provide them. So they'll go and they'll check their email, and that's when our autoresponder automatically sends them the email on day one right there to what we call it a value series. Now, a value series is a page where you are teaching them and you showing them that how you do it. Whatever you're promoting, whatever step by step how to do something, you're teaching them how to actually do it. You're not actually sending them an offer. You are providing value for free on this value series day one. And the email is sending them to the day number one, right? That's what's happening. And see what's happening over here is we, again, on this value series day, we have a video on top where we teach them the topic that we're teaching them, and then on the bottom of that topic we again have a button that sends them to the offer. We already sent them to the offer on the bridge page, and now we're sending them again on the value series. Now note that the email then we were sending on the first day also, what it does, it has the link for them to go to day number 2. Then on the next day, on email number 1, I tell them that tomorrow I'm going to send them the next video. And then I send them again to the value series day number 2, which is again similar to day number 1. It's a continuation of that value that I'm providing to them. And again, the email is the one that is sending them to day number 2. And again, on that same day also has another button that goes to the offer. So as you can see right here, we are providing value, we are teaching them, and we are giving them a solution if they want, which is the offer. But we are completely giving value for free on the value series. That's why people want to stick to it. We are educating them. That's why we are talking to, like the pyramid that I show you, we're talking to everybody. That's why the conversion rate is way, way higher. And we're also, as you can see here, we're presenting them the offer many times. And then again, on day 3, we actually do the same thing. So we send them another email again, sending them to that value series day 3 page, where again, we have another video, we teach them about the topic, and then we also have another button that leads them to the offer. Same happens on day number 4. On day number 4, our autoresponder sends them another email, which is email number 4, with the page where they're going to have, again, the video showing them how to do what we're teaching them. And then we have, again, a button that brings them to the offer. Now, as you can see, there's many, many things happening here. First of all, we are building that know, like, and trust factor with our user, because we are providing value to them on these 4 days. It's a free kind of a free training, free course that they're getting on these 4 days, and it's one every single day. And that is really important, because every single day they are opening our emails because they want to know more about what we are teaching. So they are building that know factor. They start knowing you because they're getting those emails. Also, the open rate of these emails will be very, very, very high, as on each day we're telling them on the video that tomorrow I'll be sending to you the next lesson. Right, so the open rate is going to be very high. And so there's a lot of things, like I said, happening here. You building that trust with them, that authority, and you're teaching in a way that the offer that you're offering, it's a transition to what they already looking for, and not just looking for, but even if they don't know nothing about it, you are teaching them in this value series on these videos, right? And then what happens here? It doesn't stop here. So on day email number 5, we talk a little bit more about it. And again, we send them back to the offer on day number 5. And then on day number 6, we do the same. We could, provide them with a video with value, telling them how to pull it off. And again, we also send them back to the offer right here on these emails. We do the same on email number 7. Email number 8, we're providing value, and we always sending them back to the offer as well on these emails. So as you can see, this method, we are showing them the offer loads of times. So the conversion rate is much higher, not just because of the emails and the amount of times that we're showing to them, but also we are providing actually value to them, right? And then we happens on the email number 9, and we could sell email number 10 and 11, and then we move them automatically on our autoresponder to ongoing value list, which is a list where you're providing value to them, like not every day, but every like 2 to 3 days, so that they like you. Because nowadays most people send loads of emails every single day, and people get turned off by that and unsubscribe from them. It's better to just send less but high quality stuff, providing value to them, and down the line you can sell them more stuff related to what you're offering here with this pro method, the value series. This is how it works. It is freaking amazing. I actually have a value series itself that I teach you in 4 days how you can actually build yourself a value series. Everything that you need in order to put this together. So I will leave a link below the video. I'll just ask you for your email, and in return I'm going to give you that, and you can actually see an example of me doing a value series, so you can have an idea of how this will all works together, how is this implemented, and how you can have the feeling of how it works, so you will know when you do it how the customer is going to feel. So once you go through that, you'll have the better idea of how this works. And also, I'll teach you not only how to do this, right? I'll explain to you this as well, but I'll teach you also how to get loads of traffic, pretty much how to make it. And with that said, there you go. There you have it. This is the pro method. This is how you can convert up to 20%. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you unlike it, give it a thumbs down. And if you like this type of content, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell, as I do videos every Tuesday and Friday about making money online and helping you become freaking great. And if you know somebody that will benefit from this video, maybe somebody that's trying to promote something and they don't know how to do it, you could share this with them. They will be very thankful, as they can apply it and, go from not converting to converting all of a sudden. Guaranteed, my friend. You do this, this is solid. This is solid. Good stuff. Give it smash the like button. Turn it to blue if you really like this content. I love this type of content. And if you want me to do more of this content, share below, and I will definitely do more of this type of content. I really love to go even deeper on this stuff, because this is really powerful. And with that said, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you being here, part of my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Thank you for everything you do on the channel. Thank you for liking. Thank you so much for commenting and asking your questions. I'm really, I answer every single comment that I get. I'll get back to you. That's for sure. So ask me anything below and I will for sure get back to you, or just leave me a nice comment below. That'd be so freaking amazing. Thank you so much. And maybe I will see you here next Friday. And if that's the case, see you Friday and have a blessing day. Cheers.